How to create a custom wallpaper or ringtone in Zedge. First of all, open the app and tap on the AI generator option. Then tap on Write Idea. Type your creative idea or description for the wallpaper or ringtone you want to create. For example, you can write sunset beach wallpaper or cool morning ringtone. After entering your idea, tap Create and wait for the AI to generate your custom design or sound. Once the wallpaper or ringtone is ready, preview it and decide if you want to make any adjustments or generate a new version. If you are satisfied, tap Done and then the download icon. This will bring up options like Make 3D Parallax, Set Wallpaper, Set Lock Screen, Set Boot, Adjust, and Save to Media folder. For wallpapers, you can set it directly as your home screen or lock screen background from the app. For ringtones, you can set it as your default ringtone, notification sound, or assign it to a specific contact. Now you know how to create a custom wallpaper or ringtone in Zedge. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.